Glenda ends up in Mantuli's kitchen, egqoke imbadada zikaShongwe. Mantuli athi ngiyalingwa yini ngisehlane. Shongwe is surprised because do you guys know each other? But hey, ex kaZamokuhle le. When Zamo saw her, it was chaotic. Remember, Mantuli loved Glenda more than Lizzie. And then Evelyn warns Shongwe not to bring strangers at school, and sparks fly between the former Mr. and Mrs. Khomu. Noah doesn't want to go back to Solomon Dale. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skeem Sam. So Glenda and Shongwe decided to go home together. At time, and I stayed at the cottage. Then they decided to go to the kitchen and make coffee, thinking that everyone is asleep. Kanti yay, uMantuli uzovuka. Amangalo, how Glenda? Wenzani la? What are you doing in my house? Now Shongwe is surprised. Do you guys know each other? Because like, how do they know Glenda? Mantuli athi yey wena, i-ex-girlfriend kaZamokuhle le. Yo, the shock. Glenda shem ngala ugqoka imbadada zikaShongwe. It shows ukuthi vele she slept over because vele it's in the morning. Now Glenda is apologizing. As I did not know ukuthi this is a Kamela house. Wena why you some butcher or Kamela mo? Yo, and then she apologized kubathwarelo ma, cause like how is she coming back to her ex's house where Matswale used to love her so much? Then Zamokuhle and Lizzie come downstairs. Only Zamokuhle is like, what's going on here? When he realized Glenda, I was like, Emanyana, Glenda? What are you doing here? Yo, when I think about how uMantuli loved Glenda, she loved Glenda so much that she even wanted Zamokuhle to marry Glenda and not Lizzie. That's why she kept on mistreating Lizzie when she came, and because she kept forcing Zamokuhle must take Glenda. Now she gets to see Glenda with her tenant. Yo, bittersweet, ne? I feel for Glenda. Carry the thing you can open up and swallow her. And then Evelyn talks to Shongwe saying, I saw you with that encounter you had with that construction worker. Please note that strangers are not allowed at school because we once had an incident and blah, blah, blah. Shongwe lies saying, the guy wanted a peace job. Even so, please make sure strangers are not allowed in the house at school. I'm sorry. It will never happen again. And then Evelyn talks to Mrs. Khomu, former Mrs. Khomu, and tells her you need to restart your life, man. Now I've started afresh. I had to pick myself up from scratch. So starting over, it's something that I know very well. Why don't you get your job back at the university? Evelyn is someone that Mr. Khomu really needs right now, a friend who's very supportive. Then Mrs. Khomu, former Mrs. Khomu goes to see Obed. She looks so beautiful. Now Obed is smitten, saying, I came here because I want to ask if I can see Upexten. Mr. Khomu smile, Obed Khomu. Aria, you are his mother after all, and you can always see him. And Mrs. Khomu also wants to fix the house because apparently insurance approved that they'll pay. So but and then Pexton can finally move back in with her mom. Mr. Khomu Mrs. Khomu, hey? I'm telling you, Melissa Jagadi Pipe because she'll finally get the taste of her own medicine. Now, Pretty, basically the divorce case, she found out that this guy, Mr. Shivas, has hidden some assets, offshore and onshore accounts. And, well, they meet up now this week, girl. And the man comes, the guy from, this guy from Mwango. And the way the tension between them, it seems like the person who's at fault is this girl. I might be wrong, but the way she wanted to hang over and hug her, and he said he just mized her, and the next thing he's just ready to sign divorce papers and says he's so busy. He's busy, so busy like this one. It seems like she cheated, but I might be wrong. But we'll see as time goes on. And Upriti is going to reveal because your man has hidden some assets. Now, Upriti is concerned about her weight because she's getting married soon, but Ula says like, it always look amazing to me. Now, Noah does not want to go back to Solomon Dale to his mom, Likuku, says that he wants to start afresh, but later says that I want to help you and I promise that I'll help you, I will, but I cannot keep you here, you cannot stay with me, our families will not like that. I mean, Maggie would lose it if she finds out Lieto is housing Noah, Ngwana, Mukhadi in his house. So Noah asked for a day or two to sort himself out so he can leave. I wonder how to a guy because I know Solomon Day. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.